I think I might have made a huge mistake. You know, we spend months, sometimes years, training our hair, getting that pattern perfect, getting the crown tight. One bad haircut or 1 week of bad products can ruin all that progress. But I decided to risk it all. I let artificial intelligence completely take over my wave routine for 30 days. It told me when to brush, how to wash, and what to put in my head. And let me tell you, some of this advice, it was wild. But the results, well, you gotta see this. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all the results of my 30-day AI Wave Challenge. Basically, here's the deal. I went to ChatGPT and I gave it a prompt. I said, act as a master barber and trichologist. Create the ultimate 30-day, 360 wave schedule for coarse hair texture. Tell me exactly what products to use and how long to brush. I promised myself I would do exactly what it said. No cheating. Even if it told me to put mayonnaise in my hair, which thankfully it didn't. I had to do it. We're gonna see if a robot actually knows more about waves than a veteran, or if I just wasted a whole month of training. Let's get into it. Week 1, the grind. So right off the bat, the AI wanted me to work. It prescribed an hour and 15 minutes of brushing every single day. Now, you know I advocate for consistent brushing. That's the foundation. But man, jumping straight into 75 minutes a day, my arm was burning. It pretty much had me doing a blind brush session in the morning and a mirror session at night. The angles were good, I can't lie. It told me to focus heavily on the crown for the first 10 minutes. And honestly, after the first week, the connection was looking solid. But the problem wasn't the brushing, it was the moisture. The AI kept telling me to just apply water and seal. It didn't account for how thirsty coarse hair gets, you know. I was feeling a little dry. Week 2, the wash style disaster. So we get to the wash style. This is where things got a little interesting. It told me to use a clarifying shampoo to strip everything out. Now, for those of y'all who know about scalp health, stripping all your natural oils isn't always the move, especially if you have sensitive skin or deal with dryness like I do sometimes. Visual B-roll of creator applying shampoo, looking skeptical. I did it, and my hair felt like straw. Literally, it was squeaky clean, but zero moisture. I was looking in the mirror like, I guess that's all that matters, right? It's clean, but my scalp was tight. This is where I started to realize the textbook definition of clean, but it doesn't know healthy. The product roulette, generic versus ocean view. This was the breaking point. For the styling phase, the AI suggested a heavy hold petroleum-based pomade. It didn't name a brand, just said heavy petroleum. So I went to the store and bought the generic stuff that matched the description. And today, we're gonna do a little side-by-side, product roulette. I'm putting the AI recommendation on the left side of my head, and I'm using my Ocean View pomade on the right. Okay, putting this on, it's heavy. It's really clogging up the pores. It smells like chemicals. Now, the Ocean View side, natural ingredients. It melts in your hand, you know? Look at the difference. The AI side, left, is shiny, yeah, but it's greasy shine. It looks weighed down. The AI doesn't understand ingredients. It just knows hold. But we know that if you clog your pores with cheap petrolatum, you're asking for breakouts and stunted growth. So pretty much, Ocean View takes the W on that one. Week 3 and 4, the recovery. By week 3, I had to make an executive decision. I kept the AI's brushing schedule because honestly, the discipline was good, but I had to swap the products. My beard was getting rough too, so I brought the juice boost back into the rotation. The AI kept saying, do not deviate, but I think I look good, so I guess that's all that matters, right?
I stuck to the brushing angles it gave me. It actually suggested a vertical brush angle for the sides that I usually don't do, and it actually helped connect my ripples a bit better. So I'll give it credit there. So here we are, day 30. Let's look at the results. The pattern is deep. The connections are there. The AI brushing routine works. If you have the discipline to brush for an hour a day, you will see progress. But here's the thing. AI is a tool. It can give you a schedule. It can tell you the basics. But it can't feel your hair. It doesn't know if your scalp is burning. It doesn't know the difference between quality natural ingredients and cheap filler. That's where experience comes in. That's where knowing your products comes in. I let the AI train my waves, but Ocean View saved my scalp. If y'all are thinking about using ChatGPT for your routine, use it for the schedule, but trust quality products for the health. If y'all haven't,
like and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of hair growth tips, a lot of hair growth content, 360 wave content. And yeah, we look forward to interacting with y'all. So thank you for your time.